Welcome to the final level. We have mastered formulas, pivot tables, and slicers, but today we unlock the engine that powers modern data analysis. This is Excel Power Up number 7, Introduction to Power Query. If you spend your Monday mornings manually copying, pasting, and cleaning data, that ends today. We are going to automate your data cleaning forever. Let's talk about the manual data trap. You download a CSV file from your system. You delete the top 3 rows. You fix the date format. You remove the blank columns. You combine it with last month's file. And then, next week, you have to do it all over again. This is a waste of human intelligence. You are not a robot. Stop doing robot work. The solution is Power Query. It records your steps like a macro, but without writing a single line of code. You do it once, and it remembers forever. Power Query is an ETL tool. That stands for Extract, Transform, and Load. Extract. We connect to data anywhere. A folder of CSVs, a website, a database, or even a PDF. Transform. This is the magic. We clean it, we shape it, we filter it, we merge tables together. Load. Finally, we send the clean, perfect table back to Excel, ready for your pivot table. It sits between your raw data and your final report, acting as a relentless cleaning machine. When you launch Power Query, you enter a new window. It looks like Excel, but it isn't. On the top, you have the ribbon. This is where your tools live. In the center, the data preview. This shows you what your data looks like right now. But the most important part is on the right, the Applied Steps pane. Every time you click a button, like Remove Columns or Filter Rows, Power Query records a step. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. There is no undo button here. If you make a mistake, you just delete the step from the list. It is non-destructive. Step 1. Connect. Go to the Data tab. Click Get Data. You can choose from File for a single workbook, but here's the pro tip. Choose From Folder. If you connect to a folder, Power Query can automatically combine 10, 50, or 100 files into one massive table instantly. As long as they have the same columns, it just works. Step 2. Transform. Look at this mess on the left. Jumbled text, extra headers. We use the ribbon tools. Remove columns. Get rid of the noise. Change type. Tell Excel that date is date, not text. This is crucial for time intelligence. Split column. Turn first last into 2 columns. Notice the after picture on the right. This is what we want. Clean, structured data. Think of Power Query as a recipe card. You're not changing the original file. The original file stays messy. You're creating a set of instructions. Take the eggs, crack them, whisk them. Every time you want an omelet, you don't need to reinvent the recipe. You just follow the steps. Power Query follows your steps every single time you hit refresh. And here's the payoff, the return on investment. You spend 30 minutes setting up this query today. Next month, when the new data arrives, you don't open the file. You don't copy-paste. You just drop the new file into the folder and click Data, Refresh All. That's it. Power Query wakes up, runs your recipe, cleans the new data, combines it with the old data, and updates your dashboard in seconds. You just turned a 2-hour task into a 2-second click. Let's recap. Use Get Data to connect to your source. Do your transformations in the editor. Filter, split, merge. Watch your applied steps. This is your audit trail. Load it back to Excel. And finally, refresh. That's the only button you'll need from now on. This concludes the Excel Power Up series. You have the tools, you have the knowledge, now you need to execute. Automate the boring stuff so you can focus on the insight. That's what a true data analyst does. This is Data signing off. Class dismissed.